Okay, so let's take a look at this example that we didn't have an opportunity to finish in class in as much detail as we would have liked. So we're looking at the limit as x approaches minus 5 of x plus 5 over the absolute value of x plus 5 and saying, does this limit really exist? So let's call that thing we're taking the limit of a function f of x, which is x plus 5 over the absolute value of x plus 5. And if we think of this piecewise, when x is greater than minus 5, it's x plus 5 divided by x plus 5. When x is less than minus 5, the absolute value gives us the negative of x plus 5, or the opposite. So minus x plus 5 there for x less than minus 5. And a little bit of simplification shows that for x greater than minus 5 piece is 1, and the x less than minus 5 piece is minus 1. So if we look at the left-hand limit here, as x goes to minus 5 from the left, the limit is minus 1, but that's not equal to 1, which is the limit as we approach from the right on f of x. So the limit as x approaches minus 5 of this function, it does not exist. Okay, the thing we wound up really rushing through is this function g of x, that's x plus 5 squared over the absolute value of x plus 5. And I think we all kind of agreed that the limit existed, but what it should be was not all that well presented, if I can be kind to myself. So let's take a look here. So we've got g of x, again following the same pattern. It's x plus 5 quantity squared over x plus 5 when x is greater than minus 5. And the other piece of it is x plus 5 quantity squared over minus x plus 5 when x is less than minus 5. Well, simplifying here gives us x plus 5 for x greater than minus 5 and minus quantity x plus 5 for x less than minus 5. Okay, those look different, but remember what we care about are the left and right hand limits. So if we take the left hand limit of g of x, we get 0, and if we take the right hand limit of g of x as x goes to minus 5, we get 0. And so since those limits are both exist and are equal, we get that the limit as x goes to minus 5 of g of x has to be 0 as well.